She want me. No. Mama, let you sing that you want to me. I won't ever live, but let you sing what you want.